Hello Earth, welcome to episode 3 of season 5 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming substrate called Cell. So if you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocolonel/cell. The link I am pasting in the description. But I've been having a lot of fun vibe coding this text-based interface for agents. So that's what I'm doing. I'm asking it to install Puppeteer here, so it can actually debug the things that were not working yesterday. So if I just, in the meantime, do some manual stuff to feel myself useful. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. What is it doing? Okay, yeah, sure, go for it. Run the script. This folder, that's where Puppeteer is, right? Ooh, 95 PM%. Okay. Sounds like I'm getting a $200 plan. Ooh, 98. Uh-oh. I was using Claude earlier today with my daughter to vibe code the game. So yeah. Shit, I think I need to get Codex now. Okay, let me see if I can do that and pick up where I left off. Give me a sec. Okay, we're back. I installed Codex. From this sandbox environment. Ah. What changed you today is not fun, eh? Let me comment this out. I think Claude is completely maxed out. Yep. It's just silly. Monkey patch check, try again. This is so silly. So you're sandboxed in network, but not in file system. What about using Puppeteer? Can you access from there? This is so annoying. Oh yeah. This is sure. I know so little about networking. Oh my god, this is useless. Yeah. VIBEY server and take the cloud version that exists and try to do the same for Codex. Read. Interesting. I read the documentation first. Smart. Bad decision. Codex network sandbox. This is not fun. The changes I need to do so you're not network sandboxed. Come on, this is silly. This is so silly. This is silly. Silly defaults. You've used here. It's not asking me to edit the file, it's just doing it itself. Also a bad one. I would prefer you tell me. No, not close, sorry. Muscle memory. Hi. Can you hit localhost 3001? Go for it. The app is running. Is this not enough? Check and see if I missed something. Go for it. Yeah, this stopped being fun like crazy. I am afraid. That's already what I have. But I need this. Yes, finally. Remove the trust. Fantastic. Hi, please read VIBEY and VIBEY server.js. then open Puppeteer and debug why creating a new session with Claude is not working. Let's see if it does it. Very cool that it tells you how much context it has left. It's going completely astray here. But I'm learning. Wait, what mode am I using here? GPT-5.2. Is the best knowledge, the best model. Did I just get used to using Claude? All right. If I do this myself, the thing fails. So maybe I have to think instead today. So let's explore the concept a bit more. I guess there had to be a day where I wasn't going to have so much fun. This is it. So the dialogues are not working. How would I do the tasks? Yeah, I need tokens, otherwise it's not going to go anywhere. Yeah. An option, yeah, the problem with the, let's say you don't have Cloud Call installed, you don't have Codex, right? So let's just hi, suppose you don't have Cloud Call or Codex. can you have an MCP like local experience where you send API calls to get inference on the model, on the LLM makes the commands in your computer with your authorization? Oh, really? So it's all across the board, sure. All right, yeah. GPT Go, I didn't know that one. 4 days ago. Just more. This is not a good experience at all. How things might not work. Or is it? Sure, no problem, no problem. 503s. Where would we be without you? Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Maybe I created this. I was just pushing too hard. Maybe I danced and that made it rain. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. All right, I'm forced to think today because nothing is working. It's like when Cloudflare goes down, except it's worse. All right, so you would have one main of each, one main doc, perhaps which describes the project. And links to the other docs. One main dialog out of the main agent. Currently running. One main task which is updated by the main agent, perhaps. Alright, I'm completely locked out here. I don't have a Mistral account, if I remember correctly. No, Claude. I want to see if it's a multi-cloud issue here, because sometimes you get those. No, this was earlier. No, actually, wait, this is 3 minutes ago. No, it finished 3 minutes ago. Today was an interesting day. but the question stands. Maybe this one is working. I forgot about that. Ah, it works. Interesting. This is interesting. I could just do it with API calls. Let me think. I want a claude, code, or Codex experience just with API calls. You would have to support network calls, OS calls. Thing files would be cutting or grepping, so also OS calls. Could you set it up so that we use the OpenAI API and then the node server in VIBEY server provides this MCP tooling? Is that even possible? I think so. Let's make the LLM response needs to be streamed so we can see it live. I want nothing whitelisted at the beginning. Ask me through standard input. A standard input should be compatible with what we have in VIBEY client.js. It's making a plan. No, change the client. Keep the old VIBEY server. think I have an API key for OpenAI. Do I? Do I have usage? Am I not logged in? Yeah, I need to find that. Context is fine, good. No, no idea. What if instead of running Claude code or Codex locally and have that in VIBEY, we just use the API? This could let us, if the LM can call local tools, would be doing quite well, except for Puppeteer. But perhaps even then, even that is possible. I feel I'm fighting the tools to stream this, whereas the API calls would be cleaner and still get the job done. I mean, none of this is going to work today, and I'm going to stop on time today, but still, it's interesting. Make the other. Why do we need each of these? No. No, it's fine. This already work with a couple of, with the API token. Go for it. Yeah, that's a good idea. Just use the API. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a couple of API keys to try. That will be fantastic. Yeah, I'm completely bypassing official clients. And I'm forcing them to use MCP, so I'm really like bringing them to the same thing. Except for the model itself, of course. Okay, context. Big context, huh? For being added. GPT-4.1 is going to be deprecated in 11 days. That's, yeah, go for it. And the Codex, I guess. And then what else? And applying this on files. Also, let's go. So we stop here, close that. This is a total mess what it's making, but the idea is good. This session was worth it because I got the idea then. Okay, I'm gonna paste this here. I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for watching.